J.C. Cherry Incorporated designs and manufactures high-quality laser diode sockets and custom components to your specific requirements. Our laser diode sockets are compatible with various shapes, sizes, and environments. With reliable contacts inside the socket, our products are highly recognized by customers who are looking for high-quality products from all around the world. Our standard products have pitch circle diameter ranging from 1.43 to 2.54 millimeters, lead diameter from 0.35 to 0.6 millimeters, and working temperature from -45 to 150 degrees Celsius. They support 1 amp to 2 amp current, have solder dip, with flange and through-hole socket styles, 3, 4, and 5 socket pins. We can design and manufacture larger products flexibly if you make a request. The features of our customized products are special shapes, anti-static properties, irregular number of pins and pitch circles, high durability, temperature, and current resistance. They can endure temperatures of up to 220 degrees Celsius, support currents up to 6 amps, have durability with up to 10,000 insertions and withdrawals. We have a track record of manufacturing products with a minimum pitch circle of 1.18 millimeters to over 2.54 millimeters and a pin count of 8 or more. Our laser diode sockets are applicable for semiconductors, photodiodes, and optical transceivers, TOSA, ROSA, and BOSA. The sockets can also be used for measurement evaluation, inspection, burn-in testing, and mounting. For any questions about our customized laser diode sockets, contact us today.